Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 9, standard 7, SS, and today it is the first lecture, first video. Standard 7, SS, chapter number 9, lecture number, video number 1. The name of the chapter is India Social Life. India Social Life. My dear student, India is the seventh largest country in the world. Seventh largest country in the world. And one of the biggest country of Asia continent. One of the biggest country, okay, in Asia continent. My dear student, in India we have many religions. Okay, we have the people following different religions. They are staying in India. We have many languages. Okay, in India, when we consider about India, many states are there, union territories are there, and my dear student, many languages are there. Okay, and that is why normally when India became independent after when the states were formed on the basis of languages. So we have many languages. Okay, so you can see Gujarati, then Marathi, then Tamil, Kannada, Kerala, Malayali language. Okay, so different languages are there. Today we are going to learn about the social life of Indian people. Okay, so in India we have many diversities, but one thing I would like to say, and I have already said in previous chapter also. Okay, that unity in diversity. We have unity in diversity. Okay, my dear student, here I am going to explain about the social life of the people of North India, the social life of the people of Western India, the social life of the people of South India, and the social life of the people of Eastern India. Today I am going to explain about the social life of Western India. Okay, when we consider about west side, okay, Gujarat is situated in western side, na? So in western side we have states like Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, even we can consider Goa also. Okay, so we have in a western side, which are the states are there? Yeah, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, even Goa also. Now when we consider about languages, we know which languages are spoken in western Gujarat. Okay, so languages like Gujarati, Marathi, Konkani, okay, even Rajasthani, okay, that is also spoken. Okay, so different languages are spoken in western India. Okay, now first thing, okay, when we consider about the social life of India, okay, in western side we know in Gujarat we have long sea coast. First we will discuss about Gujarat, after that we will discuss about Maharashtra, Rajasthan. Okay, but first we will discuss about Gujarat. Okay, so Gujarat is situated in the west of India. Okay, in Gujarat we have long sea coast. How long? That I have already explained. 1,600 kilometer long. 1,600 kilometer long sea coast we have. Though we have long sea coast, still people are considered vegetarian. Okay, in Gujarat the staple food, when we consider about the food of Gujarat, okay, people are vegetarian, but the people living near the sea coast, they are having fish or egg something. Okay, so we can say the people of Gujarat are vegetarian, and for their food, which kind of things they eat, okay. So my dear student, we are in Gujarat, and when we consider about Gujarat, we have Amul Dairy, one of the biggest dairy in Asia. Okay, so my dear student, so we have milky product that we are eating also. Okay, now when we consider about the food, milky products, okay, the products based on milk, like ghee, milk, butter, that we are eating, okay. Apart from that we have cereal, pulses, rice. Okay, so even when we go out of Gujarat, we order Gujarati thali, and when we say about Gujarati thali, we'll have plenty of things comes na. So people of Gujarat, what they eat cereals, pulses, vegetables, okay, milk, buttermilk, ghee, even butter also. Okay, and my dear student, dal bati is very famous. Okay, when we consider about western India, okay, Gujarati thali is there, as well as dal bati is very famous. Dal bati is also very famous. And my dear student, even people, the Kathiawadi food, on the way you will find many Kathiawadi hotels are there. Okay, so it is one of the best food we can consider. Okay, so Gujarati thali, even Kathiawadi food is also very famous. Okay, my dear student, when we consider about the dress code, okay, which kind of the clothes the people of Western India they wear. Okay, in modern Gujarat, we are using shirt and pant. Okay, but when we consider about village people, their dress is little different. Okay, their clothes are little different. Okay, in modern time we have different, but when we consider about old time and even a village area, their clothes are different. Okay, which kind of clothes the people of Western India they wear? The first one is dhoti, Jodhpuri trouser, angarku. What is called angarku? Okay, now normally during Navratri time, you have seen traditional clothes. Okay, now you got it. Okay, good. Okay, angarku or kurta. My dear student, people, what they do? They use stole. Means one kind of cloth they wear on shoulder. They put on shoulder, and people sometimes they wear turban also in Gujarat. Okay, when we consider about Kathiawad, they use turban. Okay, so which kind of clothes the people of Western India they wear? So dhoti, Jodhpuri trouser, angarku or kurta, even stole on their shoulder. Okay, then when we consider about women, women they wear saris. While when we go in Rajasthan is famous for Ghumar dance, na? Okay, so they have a ghagra and big blouse. Okay, and their sleeves are long. So they wear long blouse and ghagra. Okay, while when we consider about Maharashtra, what the women they wear? They wear 9-yard sari. Okay, long sari. That is called kochoto. Okay, they wear kochoto. I have written here kochoto or the nawari. Okay, they wear nawari. Okay, so these are the clothes of the people of Western India. Now when we consider about houses, okay, the houses made of brick, cement, even mud also. Okay, we live in the houses made of bricks, sand, cement, even mud also. Even when we go in a coast side, okay, when we go in a coast side, okay, people, they don't have terrace, but they have slopes. They have slopes. When we go in a Goa or some places of when we go in Goa, you will find they do not have terrace. They don't have terrace, but they have slopes. Why? Because it rains heavily there. It rains heavily, so they because of that heavy rain, they have slopes, so water can come down easily. Got it? Languages, just I have said, the languages like Gujarati, Marathi, okay, Konkani, they speak. And in Gujarat also we have many bolis, okay, dialects are there, okay. And festival, when we consider about festival, we know Ras Garba is world famous. Ras Garba is world famous. While the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi, that is the one of the biggest festival of Maharashtra. One of the festivals like Shivaji Jayanti, okay, then Ganesh Chaturthi, they are also celebrated. And when considered about dance, okay, Ghumar dance is one of the best dance, okay, and normally it is done in Rajasthan. Got it? So here once again I repeat, okay, though we have long sea coast, but people, they consume vegetarian food, okay. Okay, people near sea coast, they have as a diet, they use eggs or fish. Got it? Then which kind of food they consume, eat, okay, cereals, pulses, vegetables, ghee, milk, butter. And my dear student, Kathiawadi food is also famous. Gujarati thali is also very famous. Okay, about the clothes, festivals, houses. Okay, got it? So while discussing question answer, I will give different questions belong to this. Okay, so it becomes easy for you to understand. Okay, next part is the social life of the people of North India. The social life of the people of North India. My dear student, in North we have Himalaya. In South, in a Western side. In Western side we have Arabian Sea. Okay, it's a natural boundary. When we consider about North India, we have Himalaya. We have Himalaya, that is natural boundary. Okay, and my dear student, when we consider about Himalaya, the picture comes a mountain with a plenty of ice. Okay, because it is made of ice something, na? Got it? So social life of the people of North India. First thing here, okay, the food of the people of North India is wheat based. Most of the products, okay, things are made from wheat. And my dear student, Punjab is considered as the godown. Punjab is considered as the godown of wheat. Why? Because the Punjab word itself says, the word Punjab itself says, what it says? Panch plus ab. Panch plus ab. Panch means 5 and ab means water. And another meaning of ab is water. So there we have 5 rivers. 5 rivers. Punjab means 5 rivers. Okay. And because of the 5 rivers, the land is good for agriculture. And there plenty of wheat is grown. Okay, my dear student, in the land of Punjab is very good. Okay, fertile land, good for agriculture. Good for agriculture, and that is why it is Punjab is considered as the godown of wheat. Okay, now when we consider about Punjab, automatically we think about lassi and bhangra. Okay, so my dear student, the famous dance of Punjab is Bhangra, and they celebrate, their main festival is Baisakhi. Okay, the main festival is Baisakhi. Other festivals are there, but Baisakhi is one of the biggest festival. Okay, now which kind of clothes they wear? Okay, which kind of clothes the people of North India they wear? So I have written here, loose pants and slacks with colored shirt. Okay, what they wear? Loose pants and slacks with colored shirt. Okay, then kurta, pajama, jacket. Now when we consider about Bhangra, they wear jacket also. And normally, okay, we can say the turban, Sikh turban, it's the identification. It's the identification of the Sikh people. They wear turban on head. Okay, women they wear salwar kameez and with bright dupattas. Women they wear salwar kameez with bright dupattas. Okay, one more thing, when we consider about North India, Jammu Kashmir, Haryana, okay, then Punjab, that come even Uttar Pradesh, okay, that comes. So which are the main languages? Which are the main languages of North India? So automatically Punjabi, Sindhi we can consider, okay, even Bhojpuri is also there, okay, Bhojpuri is also there. So these languages are spoken in North India. Now about their food, just I said most of the things are made wheat based. That's what I have written here. Okay, pulses, vegetables, fruits, ghee, milk, buttermilk, etc. They eat. Okay, got it. And my dear student, when we consider about Punjab, the Sikh people comes in our mind. Similarly, when we consider about Kashmir, automatically we come to know about its natural scenery. Okay, and my dear student, Kashmir is considered as the heaven on earth. Why? Because of its beauty. Because of its beauty. My dear people, there shikara. Have you heard the word shikara? What is called shikara? Shikara is called the houseboat. When we visit Kashmir, people they stay in a houseboat, and that is called shikara. And that is it is said not now because of the some problem, okay, but earlier people from around the world they come and they spend many days in Kashmir because of its beauty. And the lake Dal and the lake Dal, in that you will find shikara. Got it, my dear student? When we consider about festival, I said Bhangra dance and the festival that is called Baisakhi. Okay, Baisakhi is one of the biggest festival. And my dear student, the people of North India, they are engaged in small and cottage industries. Got it? So here today I have given information related to Western India and North India. Next time we will learn more about some other parts of India, like the social life of the people of South India and the social life of the people of Eastern India. Thank you.